Find the nth term of the following sequences. Let's start with part A. So the first thing I'm going to do is look at what are we going up in each time. And you can see that we're going up in 2's each time. So it's the 2 times tables. Now the 2 times tables is actually 2n, because 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6, and so on. So I know that this sequence here is something to do with the 2 times tables. Now the 2 times tables starts at 2. 4, 6, 8, 10. And we can see that every single time we're adding 3. So our sequence is actually 3 above the 2 times tables. So it's 2n plus 3. So if we now have a look at part B, and let's look at what's happening each time. Well, this time we can see that actually we're going down by 4, so we're taking away 4 each time. So this time it's the negative 4 times tables. So it's negative 4n. Now the negative 4 times tables obviously starts at negative 4, so negative 4, negative 8, negative 12, and so on. So what's happening each time? How do I get from negative 4 times tables to 11? Well, for this I'm just going to do a little number line, and imagine that we've got 0 here, and here's negative 4, and where this sequence has started at 11. So how much above negative 4 is 11? Well, you have to think there's 4 below the 0, and there's 11 above the 0. So altogether, 11 add 4 is 15. So we're actually 15 above the negative 4 times tables. So that's actually negative 4n plus 15.